Hey, what's up? This is Doug at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2002 Yamaha YZF600R. This is Yamaha's mid-size sport bike, the bike that came before the R6. This bike is very clean condition. It has Yamaha's inline 4-cylinder 600cc carbureted engine, 6-speed transmission. Bike is very clean, just serviced. This bike has 35,577 commute miles on the clock. This bike is a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more upright seating position compared to the modern R6s. They actually make better for street bikes, a little bit more comfortable for the everyday commute. Has a nice carbon fiber Scorpion exhaust. Bike runs really good. These engines are very dependable. This very nice YZF600R is being offered at only $25.95. Come check out this great deal at Santa Clara Cycle. Reach us at 408-730-0600.